Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel MS Creations Handmade. In this video we will learn to make 2 clay rakhis and 1 Rakhi Thali. For those who are new to my channel, I make clay DIYs and DIYs from other materials. If you haven't watched any of my videos, please go to the channel and watch my other videos too. Hope you like them. If you like my videos, do give a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's see how do we make clay rakhis. To make clay rakhis, we will need Fevicryl mouldit, any type of thread or strings for the rakhi tying, any talcum powder, Fevicol or any PVA glue, a knife or a artistic cutter, some pointed materials like dividers in a geometry box, sketch pen lids and toothpicks. These are some of the tools that we use to make designs on the clay. These are examples, you can take any of your choice. I am also taking a flower shaped cutter and few lids like a Fevicol bottle lid or any other bigger bottle lid. Now let's start making it. First we will mix the resin and hardener from the Fevicryl moulded nicely and make it into a ball. Use talcum powder so that the clay does not stick to your hands. It also helps in making the clay surface smooth. From here, the video is self-explanatory. Observe all the steps carefully. Wherever required, I'll point out the instructions in the video ahead. Here I am applying color with the help of my fingertips. You can also use brush. I have used pearl colors here to give a shine on the Rakhi. On this Rakhi, I am giving a base color of teal blue. Before that, I had applied a white color base coat on this Rakhi after the clay had dried. After the colors have dried, I am sticking here a ball chain on the Rakhi. On the second Rakhi, I am going to stick some sequins. After all the colors and glue has dried, don't forget to give a coat of varnish over the Rakhi. And your DIY Rakhis are ready in no time. Now let's make a Rakhi Thali. For this you will need any plate, a steel plate, a plastic plate or any ceramic plate also will do. We will give a base coat of any color of your choice on the plate. I have given 3 coats of color on this plate. Then I'm using Fevicryl liquid embroidery cones to make designs on this plate. For decorating the thali, I have used mirrors and sequins. Now I'm cutting the ball chains as per the required size, and then I will stick it with the help of Fevicol or PVA glue. After decorating the thali, I have also given a coat of varnish to the plate. So during these times when you are not going out anywhere to shop, you can easily make a DIY Rakhi Thali at your home and also make some clay rakhis beautifully made by your own hands and tie these rakhis made out of love on your brother's wrist. Let me know in the comment section if you have liked this video, and if you have liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and families so that they also can make some beautiful rakhis on their own. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Happy crafting!